How to use the latest Windows Search Semantic Search on supported PCs. This tutorial shows you how to find files by describing them instead of remembering exact names. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on Privacy and Security. From there, click on Search. At this point, keep in mind Semantic Search is exclusive to Copilot Plus PCs since it relies on a local AI model. In the next step, toggle from Classic to Enhanced to activate this AI-powered indexing. Following this, once enabled, click on Add an Excluded folder if there's anywhere you'd rather this deeper search not scan. Once done, select the folders you want left out, then confirm. From here, click on the search icon in your taskbar to open Search. At this stage, instead of typing an exact file name, try describing what the file is about, like a topic or phrase you vaguely remember from it. Keep in mind, Semantic Search understands context and meaning, not just exact keyword matches, making it especially useful for files with forgotten or unclear names. Finally, click on the matching result to open the file directly, confirming the Semantic Search found what you were looking for. And that's it. If this guide helped you use Windows Search Semantic Search on supported PCs, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.